Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to put pictures in a green screen on CapCut. So in here, I already have a picture that I want to add to the green screen and also the green screen video. So what you need to do is put the green screen video into or as an overlay first. So click on a green screen and click on overlay. Drag it like this and then click on the photo and adjust the durations to be the same with the green screen like this. Then just click on a green screen, and to get rid of the green screen, use the cutout feature. Click on chroma key and drag the color picker into the green color. Adjust the intensity and also the shadow like this. Now click on a check icon and then just click on a photo and resize it to fit it into the green screen like this, for example. So after that, you can just put it right here, and to make it fit the green screen you can use keyframe. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to comment, subscribe, click on the thanks, and click on like. Bye.